Welcome to the Hands-On Coding course, building an AI-powered customer relationship management, or CRM system. This journey takes you from an MVP to a hyperscale system, with 180 daily lessons and 8 major sections, resulting in one complete system. Too often, developers face gaps in building production-grade AI systems, encountering challenges like theory without real code, no clear path to scale, AI integration feeling inaccessible, and missing crucial architecture depth like sharding and resilience. You will build Insight CRM, an AI-powered CRM that evolves from a local MVP app to a hyperscale distributed system. Key features include drag-and-drop pipelines, AI lead scoring, real-time collaboration, a distributed architecture, Kubernetes deployment, and security and compliance. This course is designed for everyone who ships code, including software engineers, architects, product managers, UI/UX designers, DevOps, data engineers, and engineering managers. It helps bridge theory with real-world application, offering full-stack perspective to all roles. The course is structured into 8 sections over 180 daily lessons. We start with MVP setup, move through front-end interactivity, back-end logic, and AI/ML integration. Later sections cover real-time collaboration, scalability, DevOps, and finally, optimization, security, and a capstone project. You'll master the full stack, from the browser to the infrastructure. Key skills include the Pern stack, AI/ML integration like random forest and vector search, and building distributed systems with sharding. You'll also implement real-time features, DevOps practices, and critical security measures. This is a real engineering experience, not just another tutorial. We enforce a daily coding discipline with 180 consecutive lessons. You'll learn insider architecture secrets, use 100% local and free tools, follow the real MVP to hyperscale journey, and meet concrete success criteria daily. Each daily lesson has a clear goal, real code, and measurable success. For example, Day 65 focuses on training a random forest classifier. You'll use exported data, apply scikit-learn, and the success criteria is achieving a cross-validation accuracy greater than 70%. The barrier to entry is low, but the reward is high. Prerequisites include basic JavaScript and familiarity with Git. You only need Docker installed, and we guide container setup. Most importantly, no prior AI experience is needed. We build every ML model from scratch. Our curriculum is inspired by the world's best CRMs. You'll learn principles from Salesforce's query routing, HubSpot's ML personalization, LinkedIn's graph database usage, and Zoho CRM's global distributed operations, replicating these strategies in your build. Are you ready to build a real AI-powered CRM? The course includes 180 days, real code, production-grade architecture, and requires 0 prior AI experience. Enroll now to start building your full-stack hyperscale system today.